Alright, YouTubers, been a big day for me over here. Just got the mail and got a couple surprises. First of all, my parents went to a convention down in Florida and they were given this as a free gift and they mailed it up to me. Thank you very much, Mom and Dad. It's a Smith Wesson quality cutting tool. It's alright. I mean, by the feel of it, we got like an aluminum handle maybe. Full steel frame on there, looks like. Let's see here. Got a little extra light going. It's not a deep carry clip. And it's slightly pointed, so I don't know if that's going to be a problem, but not bad little blade. Smith & Wesson. Alright, here we go. That's the first one. Second one. This one's gonna be a good one. Condor tool and knife, baby. Woohoo! Good, eat popcorn. That's a decent one. Where's the mini at? There it is. Okay, here's my mini. And there's the full size. It's a little bit bigger of a sheath. So high riding. Love the stitching on these sheaths. I just love these sheaths. They're great. I mean, you know, it's not a piece of junk. Alright. Voila. There's the knife. Ooh, that's a big guy. Comes with a little pamphlet. Apparently you can, I got a bunch of stuff, huh? Okay. There's that. First impression. Let me see here. Feels amazing in the hand. Amazing. It's like it was definitely meant for a large hand. I'll give you a size comparison with the mini. Okay, just an example. Blade length difference, handle difference. I really like this little guy. It's been quite welcome into my collection. This big guy, on the other hand, I don't know about yet. But I will find out, because I'm going to put it to use. Full tang. I mean, these things always look handmade, which is okay with me. Oh, they actually got the wood handle level. It was this one. You see it's slightly not level there. I don't know. Not a big deal. It's just a bushcraft knife. It's going to get beat on. Okay, so that's the second one. Now, reason I'm going to knock this camera over. Reason I'm so excited was because of this guy and one more. But I'm going to give you a little out-of-box paper cutting test just to see how this guy does for the paper. Yeah. I mean, it's alright sharp. It's not, you know, not to brag about. It definitely catches. So that's going to need some work. moving along. There's not a whole lot to this blade, so I'm not going to have to get into a lot of detail. Alright. Here's my biggest surprise. 2 Victorinox Swiss Army knives. Electrician. Well, they're supposed to be electricians. It says electric. There, that one says electrician. Hope they're the same. Let's find out. Right there. That's pretty sweet, I must say so. There's a sheep foot blade. Sharpened right there, you can see. Oh boy, gotta love the kids. Gotta be loud when you're making videos. Pretty nice size blade on this guy. It's the full size. Darn fingerprinting the knife all up. Okay. I got one of these for me and one of these for my dad. The reason I did that was my dad never carried a hunting knife. All these years I've known him, he always has his Swiss Army knife on him, and he just happens to be a low voltage electrician. So this kind of thing will hopefully come in handy. Although he's more of a hobby electrician than actually doing it in the field. But whatever. I'm pretty happy to get it, so I imagine he would be. There's one. Let's see if we got 2. Or if we got something different. I hope not. Oh, looks like it's the same thing. Sheep's foot. Yep, sheep's foot. Okay. Good to know. How about an out-of-the-box cut test? Should we do that? I say so. Yep. It's sharp. So, there we go. We have Victorinox Electrician, Condor Bushlore, and Smith Wesson, is there a model number? CH0014. Probably won't be carrying it around. It's one of the cheaper knives I own now. But whatever, it's just Smith Wesson. I like the company, I like the name. It's pretty cool looking. So there it is. One more time over. Condor Bushlore. Victorinox Electrician, and some Chinese made junk, but that's okay. It's still a knife, and I love knives. Alright, well, thanks for watching.